Elon Musk is to realize his dream of replacing fossil fuel-based transport with electric transport, we'll need to see a revolutionary, long-haul electric semi-trucks hit the roads in the very near future. While other companies are still years, if not decades, away from developing compelling electric trucks, Tesla seems all set to mass-produce a highly reliable, energy-efficient, high-performance, long-range electric semi-truck in the next several months, and they've called it the Tesla Semi. If you look around and explore how the world operates, you'll quickly realize the importance of effective supply chains and the timely movement of cargo. While ships are widely used for carrying cargo from one continent to another and from one country to another, trucks seem to be the most effective and most widely used means of freight movement on land. According to recent reports, trucking accounts for over 70% of freight in the US. The trucking industry also accounts for nearly 6% of all full-time jobs in the US and generates around $700 billion in revenue every year. Truck drivers use around 12% of all fuel used in the US. While the percentage of freight transported through trucks varies from country to country, it is generally regarded as one of the biggest and most important industries worldwide. Thus, we can see the need for an all-electric semi-truck. The Tesla Semi was first mentioned publicly by Elon Musk in a blog post on Tesla's website titled The Master Plan Part 2 on July 20th, 2016. In that post, Musk stated that in addition to consumer vehicles, which were part of Tesla's original master plan drafted in 2006, that the world was in need of two additional types of EVs, a heavy-duty truck and high passenger density urban transport. He would write that the Tesla Semi would deliver a substantial reduction in the cost of cargo transport while increasing safety and making it really fun to operate. According to reports, Tesla has already built a prototype of the Semi in 2016. However, the Tesla Semi was officially unveiled by Elon Musk and Jerome Guillen, Tesla's president of heavy trucking, at a Tesla event in November 16, 2017.
All right, welcome to the Tesla Semi Truck event. I hope you like what you see.
Marketed by Tesla as the safest and most comfortable truck ever, the Tesla Semi is, by trucking standards, an aesthetically beautiful Class 8 electric truck. Tesla has designed the Semi to be built like a bullet. This means that it has a drag coefficient of only 0.36, which is quite impressive considering that the Bugatti Chiron, one of the fastest and most luxurious hypercars in the world, has a higher drag coefficient of 0.38.
We designed the Tesla truck to be like a bullet. So whereas a normal diesel truck is designed more like a barn wall, this is a bullet. You can see this in the drag coefficient. So the Tesla Semi has a 0.36 drag coefficient. This is a really good number.
Don't forget to like this video if you like our content and find it interesting. The Tesla Semi is going to be available in 3 model variants, with the base model having a 300-mile range and a price tag of around $150,000. The 500-mile variant is expected to have a price tag of around $180,000. The third version of Tesla Semi will be a 1,000-unit limited edition called the Founders Series and will be available for $200,000. Tesla Semi reservations currently require an initial, fully refundable $5,000 down and a $15,000 wire transfer payment for a total reservation cost of $20,000. Considering that a vast majority of the distances required to be covered by freight trucks are less than 250 miles, the $180,000 500-mile Tesla Semi will be able to travel to and from many destinations on a single charge. Additionally, for longer routes, Tesla plans to install thousands of mega chargers across the world where drivers will be able to charge their semis. These solar-powered mega chargers will be available 24/7. And according to Tesla, a mega charger will be able to recharge a truck's battery in 30 minutes to a travel capacity of 400 miles. The high-performance Tesla Semi will be powered by 4 independent motors on its rear wheels, and it will be able to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 5 seconds, unloaded, and in about 20 seconds while carrying a max cargo load of 80,000 pounds.
Let's show what the truck, what it's like to be in a Tesla truck. This is real time. Okay. Okay. Now, at 80,000 pounds max gross vehicle weight, that's the most amount of weight you can carry on a US highway. This is the real-time acceleration of a Tesla Semi. That, on the left, the thing that looks like it's not moving is a diesel truck. Just gonna give it a moment.
Aside from the performance advantages of a Tesla Semi, what are some of the other advantages of a Tesla Semi compared to traditional diesel trucks? First, the Tesla Semi is incredibly easy to drive, as there are no gears. Additionally, the driver actually sits in the center of the truck, which provides them with complete visibility of the road and all surroundings. The beautiful and spacious interior features a steering wheel and 2 large screens from where the driver will be able to control all the aspects of the Semi. Tesla has also provided a little trunk in the front of the Semi, just like in Tesla's cars. A second key advantage of the Tesla Semi is safety. With minimal rollover risk due to its low center of gravity, absolutely no chance of jackknifing thanks to active safety controls and independent motors on each rear wheel, a quasi-infinite brake life, standard equipped with enhanced autopilot, and thermonuclear explosion-proof glass. Tesla Semis are quite possibly the safest truck ever built. According to Tesla, with fewer systems to maintain, the Tesla Semi provides more than $200,000 in lifetime maintenance and fuel savings and a 2-year payback period. The Semi will also be connected to Tesla's mobile service and will be capable of remote diagnostics, predictive maintenance, location tracking, and communication with dispatch, all of which are very time-consuming and expensive endeavors in the current trucking world. Tesla is so confident in the quality of truck that it will be able to manufacture that it has offered something unheard of in the automotive industry: a 1,000,000-mile drivetrain guarantee.
And that's why we are guaranteeing that this truck will not break down for 1,000,000 miles.
To date, Tesla has received more than 2,000 pre-orders for the Tesla Semi. Recently, Pride Group Enterprises, which has a truck leasing business in the US and Canada, placed a reservation for 150 Tesla Semis, with the option to buy 350 more depending on financing availability and how the first batch of semis perform. Prior to that, major companies including Walmart, PepsiCo, DHL Supply Chain, FedEx, UPS, Anheuser-Busch, and Cisco have also placed orders for Tesla Semis. Most of the companies seem to be ordering a few dozen semis at first to confirm performance and reliability. It can be assumed that once they are satisfied with the initial deliveries, they are likely to place orders for hundreds of trucks to replace existing fleets of diesel trucks. According to Elon Musk, production of the battery and powertrain will take place at Giga, Nevada. Body production will be in Fremont, California, and final assembly will take place at the new Tesla Gigafactory 5 in Austin, Texas. Interestingly, Tesla has been using a few semis to deliver its cars since as early as 2019, mostly using them to carry Tesla's freight between Tesla's factory in Fremont, California, and Gigafactory 1, just outside of Reno, Nevada. While Gigafactory 5 in Texas nearly complete, Elon Musk recently tweeted about the most significant near-term problem facing mass production of the Semi. On the 30th of March, 2021, Elon Musk tweeted that demand for semis wasn't a problem, but that near-term cell supply was making it harder for Tesla to scale semi-production. Accordingly, it's been recently reported that mass production could be delayed until 2022 because of these cell supply bottlenecks. Other companies, including BYD, Daimler AG, Nikola Motor, Toyota, and Volvo, are also working on developing their own Class 8 electric trucks, and it will be interesting to see the competition in electric trucks over the next several years. For now, Tesla seems to be leading the way with its impressive Semi lineup. What are your thoughts on the Tesla Semi? Have you seen one on the road? Let us know by leaving a comment below. Also, like the video and subscribe so that you can continue watching our videos. We'll see you in the next one.